Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving deep into the world of crypto and how to get started. Whether you're totally new or you've heard about it and are ready to get started, grab a pen and paper because we're going to go step by step on learning how to invest in crypto smartly. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that use cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. The most popular example, you've probably already heard of it.
Bitcoin, the digital currency created a dozen years ago as an alternative to cash, is exploding in value.
Movement Bitcoin. Something called the Bitcoin.
The first transaction by a president on the Bitcoin protocol. History.
But there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Cardano, Solana. Each one has its own case use and proposition. Essentially, crypto can be seen as a type of decentralized digital money, which means there's no central authority controlling it like a bank or a government. They run on technology like blockchain, making it secure and transparent. Now, why exactly to invest in crypto? First of all, I am not a financial advisor, let's get that out of the way. But there are several reasons why you might be interested in investing into crypto. First off, high growth potential. Over the past decade, some cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have seen massive returns. We're talking thousands of % increases. Next, diversification. Crypto provides an alternative to traditional investments like stocks and real estate markets, which means it can help balance your portfolio. Many investors are turning to crypto to hedge against inflation and currency devaluation, which is a very real problem in our global economy. Lastly, it's about innovation. Blockchain, the technology behind crypto, is revolutionizing industries like finance and healthcare. And by investing in crypto, you are investing in cutting-edge technologies with so much potential implications in the future. Basically, the blockchain has the potential to change the world as we know it. Again, no need for a central authority, no need for a government controlling us or controlling our finances. Step 1 is research. Before jumping into any investment, you need to fully understand what you're getting into. So let me congratulate you guys because you are following this first step already. Now, crypto is highly volatile, which means their prices can vary dramatically from time to time. That's why it's crucial to understand the coins you're getting into. Websites like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko are just a basic for people who's in crypto because you can obviously see the price, the trends, the market caps, etc. And don't just stop by looking at the charts. Most of you guys are not going to know technical analysis like most of the humans out there. Watch YouTube channels like mine and be informed. Watch tutorials and see what the project is about. I'd also tell you guys to watch the news. You already know that the news mostly don't like crypto, as well as the hotels did not like Airbnb or the banks don't like crypto. Know whether the coin is a utility token, payment method, or something else completely. Now, step 2 would be to choose a reliable exchange. Now, once you've done your research, you need to actually buy the crypto. Think of exchanges as stock markets where you can buy, sell, and trade your crypto. One of the popular exchanges for crypto beginners and also experienced traders is Bybit. It's really simple to use, it has low fees, there is a variety of trading options. Now let me show you how to sign up and buy some crypto in Bybit. Click on the first link in the description below or the pinned comments and you will access Bybit. So there are several things you're gonna get once you sign up, starting with a $20 sign up bonus. And you can even earn more depending on your deposits and your trades. Start by filling out the email, your password, and click on register. Once you have registered, you want to click on deposit right here and change to fiat deposit. So basically all the normal currencies like euros, dollars, or whatever you want. You simply enter the amount here and choose the payment method. You will have different options. Select the one that's better for you. And once you have some funds in your account, you will be able to purchase crypto. Once you've deposited some fiat currency like dollars or euros, simply click on buy crypto, one click buy, and here you can purchase whatever you want. So if you want to purchase Bitcoin, just click on Bitcoin and enter the amount of euros you want to spend. Click on buy with euros. In my case, agree, confirm. That's pretty much it, guys. You already have some Bitcoin to your name. It is automatically transferred to your spot. Simply click on view asset. Just click on spot right here. I obviously hold more than this Bitcoin, but this is just an example to show you guys how easy and simple it is to get into crypto with Bybit. Now, I know a lot of people that ask me, how can you get the money out from crypto to fiat? It's as simple as buying. Remember, a centralized exchange is like just the stock market. Instead of buying, just click on selling, enter the amount you wish to sell, and just click on sell Bitcoin. And that's pretty much it. You already have your euros and you can withdraw them to your bank account in a matter of days or hours. Now there's different strategies you can follow like long-term or hold, DCA, staking and liquidity providing. So there's different options. Comment below if you're interested in a video checking out all of these options. But for now, let's keep it like that. Now that you understand what's an exchange, how it works, how you can buy and sell your crypto, comes a very important question: how to store your crypto safely. There are different options. You can keep your crypto in the exchange, just make sure you have enabled 2FA and keep your account security top notch. Don't share your API keys and all the basic security that you need to follow to keep your crypto secure. Or you can go a step further and keep it in a cold wallet, like this one. Yeah, it looks like a regular USB stick, but this little device here holds pretty much all my crypto. Cold or hardware wallets keep your keys offline so you are secure from an online attack, and I highly encourage this option. There are different brands out there, but I personally like Ledger very much, so you can use my link in the description to purchase one of these little devices and it'll keep your crypto secure. Trust me on that one. Also, if you're interested, I can make a whole video on cold wallets and the different options, but pretty much it's better than just keeping them at an exchange or anywhere else. By the way, just for your info, keeping it online would be a hot wallet, cold wallet, and there's also paper wallets, which would be just keeping your keys or your combination of words in a paper. Pretty OG. Finally, let's talk a little bit about risk management. Crypto, as I mentioned, is highly volatile, and it's not uncommon to see 20% or more drops in a single day. So never invest more than you're willing to lose. Diversify your portfolio. Don't just buy Bitcoin or Ethereum and just leave it there. It might be a good option as well, but I highly recommend you guys to pick some more options so that if one doesn't perform so good, another one may make up for it. The old theory of not putting all your eggs in the same basket. And remember guys, don't let hype or emotions drive your decisions. Have a plan and follow it. Those are the basic steps for crypto investing. It's the fast moving and exciting market with so much potential. But remember to do your homework, stay safe, enable 2FA, get a cold wallet, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Make sure to drop any questions you have in the comments below and I'll make sure to check them out. And I'll see you guys in the next video.